Welcome. In the previous lecture, at the end of the lecture, I have asked you a question, that is, if a mixed signal means a signal which consists of both AC and DC, then what will be the reading the moving iron instrument will show? See, in this question we have a DC voltage with ripple. That means, see, the 100 is a DC and 10 sine omega t and minus 5 sine omega 3t, these are AC quantity. So if we supply this mixed input to a moving iron instrument, or in this case a moving iron voltmeter, then what is the reading the voltmeter will show? Before going into the detailed discussion or solving the problem, first we need to know what does a moving iron instrument reads. It reads the RMS or root mean square value of any given input. So what is root mean square? I think all of us of electrical engineering students know this thing. Though for your better understanding, let me give you a brief discussion. If there is three different signals, S1, S2 and S3, see, their frequency is different, as a complete time period of S1 is at this interval because it is completing a total cycle at this point, but for S2 it is a total cycle means at this point, and for S3 it is here. So their frequency is different. So if we take these three signals simultaneously and try to make out their RMS value, then the maximum value of S1 is this value. This is the amplitude of S1. So this is the S1 max. Similarly, this is S2 max and this is S3 max. Now the RMS value of S1 is equal to S1 max by root 2. It is S1 RMS. Similarly, S2 max by root 2 is equal to S2 RMS, and S3 max by root 2 is equal to S3 RMS. Now if these three signals, that is S1, S2 and S3, is simultaneously given to any instrument, then this whole input RMS value will be, suppose S is equal to root over S1 RMS square. This is the RMS value of this whole three signals simultaneously taken into account. S2 RMS whole square plus S3 RMS square. So from there we can write S1 max by root 2 whole square plus S2 max by root 2 whole square plus S3 max by root 2 whole square. All these values are taken from these values. Clear? Now look into the question. Here one DC and two AC input, 10 sine omega t, and another AC input minus 5 sine omega 3t, which has different frequencies from each other, are simultaneously given to a moving iron instrument. So we have to determine the RMS value now, because the moving iron instrument reads the RMS value. So comparing this particular expression that we have achieved by this sample waveforms, if we write here like Vt is equal to 100 square plus 10 by root 2 whole square plus 5 by root 2 whole square and root of all these quantities. Now you can ask, how could I write these things? Okay, so in any signal, whenever it is written, suppose Vrms is equal to Vm sine omega t. So Vm is the maximum value, and according to this equation, RMS value is the maximum value by root 2. So here 10 sine omega t, 10 is your maximum value. So from there, if we want to determine the RMS value, that is 10 by root 2. That is written here. Similarly 5 by root 2. And for 100, it is a DC input. So it is just like as it is written in square form. Now if we calculate this entire expression, we will get 100.31 volt. So from here, what conclusion we have obtained? We obtained that if we give input of a mixed signal, that is AC plus DC, then the moving iron instrument will show a reading which is the RMS value of this entire signal or entire input. It will not give any specific, taking the value of DC or AC separately. There are several voltages like 100 volt, maximum value of AC input, that is 10 volt and 5 volt. But as a whole, taking the RMS calculation of the entire signal, it will show you the RMS output. Whereas if you provide this same input to a PMMC instrument, that is permanent magnet moving coil instrument, then it will only show 100 volt output or reading, because PMMC instrument can't calculate AC values and it will give only the average DC value. Clear? I think the concept is clear regarding the mixed signal, only AC signal and only DC signal to a PMMC instrument or a moving iron instrument, given separately or simultaneously. If you have any doubt, you can mention in the comment section below. Thank you.